Dear students, you are watching DEB'S Academy. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss input tax credit. Input tax credit ITC under GST. This is under GST. This is a part exercise of GST. The first question, it will be discussed after we will discuss a little bit about input tax credit. What is input tax credit? Input tax credit is that while paying tax on sale, that is output of goods or services, one can avail the tax one has already paid on the purchase, that is input. Input is purchased and the said goods or service and pay only the balance amount as tax. And number A is input tax includes CGST, SGST, IGST paid on input goods or services. B, only a registered person is entitled to take the credit of input tax charged on the supply of goods or services. C, credit of tax paid on every input tax charged on supply of taxable goods or services, etc. is allowed under GST. Whatever the objects or the goods or services is allowed under GST, the credit of tax paid on every input tax will be charged by that one. Number D, purchase of petroleum products, that is petrol, diesel, etc., liquor, etc. Input tax credit is exempted. No input tax is availed on that. Export of goods or services, GST is not payable, but input tax is available. This transaction is termed as zero rated transaction in GST. Input tax can be availed only on goods or services for business purpose, as for example for a registered dealer only. If input tax is rupees 75, that is tax on purchase equal to rupees 75, and output tax rupees 100, that is tax on sale equal to rupees 100, then input tax credit ITC for the dealer equal to input tax equal to rupees 75. Input tax credit ITC for the dealer equal to input tax is rupees 75. That is, the dealer will pay rupees 100 minus 75, that is rupees 25 to the government as GST as the input tax credit. The tax liable on the registered dealer equal to output tax minus input tax, that is tax on SP minus tax on CP, that is tax on SP minus CP equal to tax on profit. Here the questions part are in blue ink and the answer part is in black ink. Carefully note this. First question, which is in blue, fill in the blanks. The blank part is filled in black ink. Blanks has been filled in with black ink. When the goods or services are sold for rupees 15,000 under intra-state transaction from station A to station B, the rate of GST is 12% as per GST system. Question A is SP at station A equal to rupees 15,000. Question B, CGST at 6% on 15,000 equal to 900, and SGST at 6% on 15,000 is 900T. Because GST is 6% and 12%, so it will be 6% and 6%. CP at station B is 15,000 and D, if profit is rupees 5,000, SP at station B equal to 15,000 plus 5,000, that is 20,000, and the same goods or service are moved under interstate conjunction from station B to station C and the rate of tax is 12%. Therefore, question number E, GST equal to 12% on rupees 20,000, which is rupees 2,400 only. CP at station will be 20,000, that is SP at station B. Now question number 2, goods or services are sold from Agra, it is UP, to Kanpur, it is also in UP, for rupees 20,000, and then Kanpur to Jaipur, that is Rajasthan. If the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is rupees 50,000, find the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. And number 2, the cost of goods or services at Jaipur. Now solution. The rate of GST on each transaction is 18%, it is given. At Kanpur, CP of goods equal to rupees 20,000 and GST at 18% equal to rupees 3,600. Now SP at Kanpur with profit equal to 20,000 plus 5,000, that is 25,000 rupees, and GST at 18% on 25,000 equal to rupees 4,500. Therefore, answer number 1, the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur will be 4,500 minus 3,600, which is 900 only. The cost of goods at Jaipur equal to SP with profit plus GST, which is 25,000 plus 4,500, which is 29,500 only. Question number 3, goods and services are sold from Kota, that is Rajasthan, to Mumbai for rupees 20,000 and then from Mumbai to Pune. If the rate of GST is 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is 5,000, find the net GST paid at Pune if the dealer at Pune is the end user. The solution. CP at Kota equal to rupees 20,000. It is 20,000, not 22,000. It is 20,000. And profit made at Mumbai is rupees 5,000. CP at Kota is 5,000 and this 20,000. 20,000. Profit made at Mumbai is 5,000. Therefore, SP with profit at Mumbai is 25,000, 20,000 plus 5,000, and CP at the end user at Pune will be 25,000 plus GST at 12%, and GST paid by the dealer at Pune